Go get Drink Book Jamaican juice drinks. Yeah man! Hello! My name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you kiwi fruit passion orange juice drink. So you're gonna need oranges, passion fruits, lime, kiwi fruits, sugar, piece ginger. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. First, do this to loosen the juice in the limes and the oranges. Put lime on a hard surface. Press on it with the palm of your hand. Press on it hard, not to burst it, with the palm of your hand. Rotate it from side to side, loosening the juice in the lime. Do this with each orange. Put orange on a hard surface. Press on it hard, not to burst it. Rotate it from side to side, loosening the juice in the orange. Do this for all the oranges. Now, get a bowl. Add enough water into the bowl. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Get an empty container to put things in. Wash fruits clean. Use your hand and your fingers. Rub the skin of the passion fruit clean. Ensure the fruits are clean. Wash it well. After that, use your hand and your fingers. Wash the kiwi's fruit skin clean. Look how dirty this water is. Throw off this water. You see why it's important to wash before you start preparing? Give fruits a final rinse. It's best if you do this part under fresh running water. Add enough water into the bowl. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Now, use your hand and your fingers. Rub the skin of the lime clean. Use your hand and fingers. Rub the orange's skin clean. Ensure the citrus is clean. Wash it well. Throw off this water. Give fruits a final rinse. It's best if you do this part under fresh running water. Get an empty container ready to put things in. Go get Drink Book Jamaican juice drinks. Cut lime in half. Get a small bowl with a fine mesh strainer ready. Next, squeeze lime. Use your fingers, squeeze lime, remove juice. Squeeze lime, remove juice through the strainer into the bowl. Ensure to not put seed in the juice. Lime juice. Put this aside for later. You could use this squeezing gadget to remove the juice. Instead, doing this is labor intense. You could use an electric orange juicer instead. Get a bowl to put trash in ready. Get a squeezing gadget like this ready. Get a sharp knife ready. Get a clean bowl with a fine mesh strainer ready. Use sharp knife. Cut oranges in half. Put cut orange in the middle of your palm, skin side down. Poke the center of the orange onto the squeezing gadget. Rotate your hand and your arms from side to side, removing orange juice. Do this until the squeezing gadget's tray is full with orange juice. This is very labor intense. You could use an electric orange juicer instead. Or you can do it the lazy way. Peel the orange, peel off the skin and everything, cut it up in small pieces, put it in the blender with water, blend it, strain it. I wouldn't recommend that way though, because your drink is gonna taste like the fiber that is in the lime and the orange. Now pour freshly squeezed orange juice through the strainer into a clean bowl. Allow it to drain. Continue doing this until you are finished. Go get Drink Book Jamaican juice drinks. Inside the orange should look dry when you're finished. Now with this final proportion of freshly squeezed orange juice, pour it through the strainer into the bowl. Allow it to drain. Get a spoon. Put it into the strainer. Rotate it from side to side and around, removing remaining juice. Use the spoon. Press on the mash that is on the strainer, removing remaining juice. Good enough. Throw this trash away. 3 pounds of oranges is equivalent to 3 cups freshly squeezed orange juice. Put this aside for later. For the next step, get a clean bowl ready. Get a fine mesh strainer ready. Clamp fine mesh strainer on top the bowl. Use a sharp knife. Cut passion fruit in half. And then use a spoon. Scoop out the fruit on the mesh of the strainer. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. After that, use a spoon. Put it on the passion fruit. Rotate it from side to side and in a circle, around and around. Do this fast like you're spinning something, separating the juice from the seed, removing juice. Measure and have 2 cups of water handy. Now, pour the water through the strainer into the bowl, removing remaining juice that is on the seed. Do this until there's no juice on the seed. Pour some water. Do this until there's not any juice on the seed. Use a spoon. Press on it, removing remaining juice. Throw the seeds away. Next, bring over your freshly squeezed orange juice. Pour the passion mixture on the orange juice that is in the bowl. Put this passion juice water mixture aside for later. Next, peel kiwi fruits. Get a sharp knife. However way you feel comfortable, peel kiwi fruits. At the end of the day, remove the skin. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. This is how the inside of a kiwi fruit looks close up. It looks tropically exotic. Cut 1-inch piece ginger, half the size of your finger. Peel it. Put it aside for later. Put your peeled kiwi aside for the next step. Now, get your blender ready. We used 2 cups water already. Measure 2 more cups water. In total, we are using 4 cups of water. Pour 2 cups water into the blender. Use the blender's jar lid, close the jar properly, and then remove the jar's insert. Dice or cut kiwi fruit in chunks or small pieces. Turn the blender on low. Now add kiwi fruit pieces into the blender while it's blending. Add the piece ginger into the blender's jar. Close the insert. Allow to blend between 3 minutes on high speed. After time, pour mixture through the strainer into the bowl. Allow it to drain. Now, use a spoon. Put it into the mixture that is on the strainer. Rotate the spoon from side to side and around, draining remaining juice. Next, bring over your freshly squeezed orange juice. Use the strainer. Pour the kiwi mixture through the strainer on the orange juice that is in the bowl. Strain this mixture 2 or 3 times. Wash off the strainer after each straining. If you look carefully, you will see some little black spots. That's the kiwi's seed. You want to remove it. To remove it, do this. For the 3rd or 4th straining, use a clean cloth. Place it over the strainer. Pour the mixture through the cloth, through the strainer, into the bowl. Use a spoon. Put it into the strainer. Rotate it from side to side, straining remaining juice. Note, this is gonna be draining very slow. Allow it to drain enough so that you can fold the cloth. Go get Drink Book Jamaican juice drinks and grip it with your fingers with one hand. Pull or push on it to remove remaining juice. This will be draining slowly, therefore be patient. The better thing to use is a cheesecloth. We don't have it in Jamaica. Continue doing this until you're finished. This is why we use a cloth to drain drinks, to drain some juice drinks. Look at all that trash. Look at all this fine fiber. If you look carefully, you will see some little black spots. That's the kiwi's seed. Add lime juice. See? 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of lime juice. After straining juice through the cloth, look how clean it looks. You're not seeing the little grinded black seeds. Next, measure and add 1.5 cups sugar. I am using brown sugar today. You could use granulated instead. I'm trying to remove this little black. I know I saw something black in the sugar just now. Anyway, it's lost. Add 1.5 cups sugar. See, that's what I saw. You can see it in the drink while I'm mixing. Alright. If this should happen to you, this is what you should do. Strain the drink after you finish mixing it. Mix drink until you do not feel sugar grain on the bowl's bottom. Strain the drink after you finish mixing it. See, that's what I saw. If you're wondering what it is, sometimes little pieces of steel break off in the sugar from the mill. Go get Drinkbook Jamaican juice drinks. To store drink, pour it in a jar, cover it properly. Put it in the refrigerator between 5 days only. You may freeze it for 6 months or a year if you pour it in a plastic container like this, or you could use a clean plastic bag or Ziploc. Although I used 1.5 cups sugar, you could get away with using 2 cups. If you used 2 cups of sugar, add half the amount in water for fresher flavor. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. To get a fresh flavored drink, add half the amount in water. Taste it if you want. Add more or less. Serve this kiwi fruit passion orange juice drink cool. This is kiwi fruit passion orange juice drink. Visit JamaicanDinners.com, JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making this drink yourself. You will love it. Give us feedback when you do. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Oh my goodness, it is like drinking heaven. The lime, ginger, and kiwi fruit goes well together with the freshly squeezed orange juice. Use the ginger. This kiwi fruit passion orange juice drink is tangy in flavor. With 1.5 cups sugar, it is not sweet. The flavor is perfect. I love the taste of this juice drink. Go get Drinkbook Jamaican juice drinks. Enjoy. Bye. Yeah, man. Before you start doing this, ensure that you wash your hands clean. Wash it with soap until it suds. Wash between your fingers. Ensure that your nails are clean. Give your hands a final rinse under fresh running water.